Hi, struggling with the PatenteB quiz in Italian? Quite confusing, isn't it? Lots of words are very difficult to understand and very confusing and misguiding. I can understand how frustrating it is. So we have good news for you. Ambrish Patente, which has been helping more than 10 years, 55 nationalities to pass very easily the exams, the theory in Italian, German, or French, is now available in application form. You can download it in any device, Android or iOS. All the 25 chapters explained in a very simple, basic, easy to understand English. No confusion, no guessing. Straight away you get the results, clear-cut results. Also, the quizzes are explained very nicely. And remember, I'm not just a teacher, I'm a brain trainer. So you have all the brain hacks and everything you need to pass in the fastest possible way. Don't lose this opportunity. Download the app today itself. You have it free for 2 weeks. Make the best of it. See you later.